So yesterday it was a bit windy, so I couldn't fly the WD20. I was going to do another range test on it, see what's what. So it's a bit calmer today, so I might just cruise up to my favourite flying spot and have another crack at it. See how we go. If you have a look at my last video, you'll see that I lost my EACHINE. Not very good. Got caught in the wind and it just blew away. Completely out of control. I had another quick look for it this morning in the paddock, but no, she's a no-go. So the EACHINE is no more. Anyway, let's go and see if we can break some. Plenty of room to fly. Turns out this JD20, including the quality of the transmission for your FPV, actually flew a lot further than than I thought it would. So I had to pull her back. But the tennis court looks free up there, so I'm going to go for a fly over there and see what happens when we lose range. I know the EACHINE and a couple of other drones I have, when you lose range it just drops from the sky. I expect this one will do exactly the same, just drop from the sky. It does, hopefully it won't destroy itself. It's already had a crash once, so if you look at my previous video you'll see me fixing one of these lights up underneath because the wires came off. I think it was this one here. I also had to fix one of the props because it just bent. These are quite soft. If it lands like so under full flight, yeah, it's just going to bend, so it's alright, you got a few spares with it. It's a good drone. 3 batteries come with it, which is terrific. I reckon we're looking about, by memory, 7 to 8 minutes for a battery, so that's pretty cool. It's a pretty quick little drone. The 720 footage is pretty good. I must admit I've looked at some other guys with these drones on YouTube, and the quality that some other people are putting out with their footage recorded to their SD card, micro SD card here, seems to be a lot better than mine, so I'm not too sure what's going on there. Maybe it's just the light, so it's a nice sunny day today, so we'll practice see if quality improves at all. So I think we should get out there and stop rambling and see how far this baby goes. Okay, let's head off. Fingers crossed, folks. Anything could happen here. Of course, before we do anything, what do we have to do? Adjust your trim. That's right. Adjust your trim. Always trim needs adjusting, doesn't it, on these? It's a light breeze here today, so I'm going to give myself a little bit more compensation on my trim for that breeze. How are we looking? I just want something that resembles reasonably steady flying before I go anywhere. Okay. Yeah, I think we should be reasonably happy with that. That's pretty good. Under there. Okay. Okay guys, let's give ourselves some air. I'm recording. Let's see how far we can go. Oh, the wind's already carrying it. So last time I did this test, it was a bit of a breeze. Last time I did this test, I lost, oh look at the wind, it's just pushing it over to the left quite dramatically. Okay. Now when these drones lose range, they hopefully just drop to the ground. Oh, gee, the wind's really blowing this one. It's coming back 1,000,000 miles an hour. Okay, it's flying right over to the, look at the wind, just take it. It's just gone berserko. And it's crashed. There she blows. Still connected. Okay. I think we'll try flying into the wind rather than returning from the wind. Let's make sure everything's still good. Excellent. Hey. Okay, I'm going straight over there, over to the grass. I'm not going to stop. Let's go. It must be windy up there because when I get some altitude it just flies backwards, so let's get down low and go over there. Try and avoid the wind. Ah, look, it's just too windy, guys. I'm going full steam forward and it is hardly moving. Okay, I'll let go of the controls. You can see what's happening. It's coming back at me at full speed. Look at that. So yeah, the wind has picked up a bit here, I must admit, even though my trim is set fairly significant forward measurements, but okay, let's try hitting the return to home. This is always a bit dodgy, this one. Actually, let's do a water test. That's a better idea. Stuff it. Let's see how it copes with some water. Oh, hey, that's not too bad. Okay, the epic water test has commenced. Oh. That'll teach you for flying away on me. Have a drink. Suppose, why would you need this information? If it's raining, possibly. If it's raining and you think to yourself, I might go for a fly of my drone in the rain. Yeah, good idea. Here we go. Oh, didn't like that one at all. Okay, let's bring it back, see how wet we are. It's probably quite unhappy with me at the moment. So can you fly this drone in the rain? Yeah, looking at that, possibly. Is it a good idea? Is it a good idea? Hey, what happened to my one key landing? Come back here. A bit of a one key landing fail then. Oh, it's really windy now, not sure how we're going to go. Oh, gee whiz, that was hard. That's just gone crazy. crazy. Come back here. Have a look at it. I'm going to do an emergency landing. Sprinkler. It's going to be a bit tricky taking off in here. Not too sure how I'm going to do it. But one thing's for certain. It could be exciting. Let's see how we go here. No laughing. Oh, that went alright. Okay. Whoa! This thing's got crazy trim issues again. Let's bring it back here. Now look here, drone. Stop being silly. Okay, I've got it on 30% now to alleviate any erratic behaviour. Might as well time this one too. It's a brand spanking new battery, just been charged, so I'll try not to crash it so that we can have constant flight time to see how long it lasts for. Well, that looks good. Let's try and do some slow flying. Slow and gentle into the sprinkler. I don't think it likes the sprinkler very much. Sprinkler is very sprinkler unhappy. A good bit of consumer advice here, guys, for you. So just seeing how well it copes with the water. As I said, I'll try not to crash it, but you know, can't promise anything or everything, and I've just crashed it.